Hello there. It is a rainy, dreary Monday night. You know the kind of night where I am in New Jersey here. But I soul searched for that ray of sunshine and I found it. I'm like, it's a lousy night, but all my bills are no, I'm extremely behind on a lot. I know the beam of light that cuts like a knife through the dreariness. My two wonderful children who are it's a big truck who are home collectively locked behind their bedroom doors, engaged in my daughter probably on FaceTime with her boyfriend, and my son most likely on the internet with headphones. And when those doors are closed, they're closed. So that's not it's true, that old adage. Yeah, it's a rainy night. It's Monday. Oh, I feel horrible, but emotionally, and I got my health. And when you have your health, dampness makes my arthritis hurt to the point where I can't walk. We got some music in the background while I talk. Folks, suffice it to say that rainy night or not, the glowing light of love that overtakes me is, of course, my wife. You know what? Like I mentioned, it is raining, or has been raining on and off pretty bad tonight, and it's slick. So I'm gonna leave now. I'm gonna cap off at about 85 and find the thickest, oldest oak tree I can and smash right into it. I guess this is a video last will and testament.